Hey everyone. Today I'm excited to talk about a special promotion called Lucky Friday by 1xBet. If you're into sports betting and want to score some bonus cash, stick around because I'll break down everything you need to know. So Lucky Friday is happening on May 17th, 2024. Here's the deal: when you deposit money into your 1xBet account on that day, they'll give you a bonus that matches your deposit amount, up to a maximum of €150. And guess what? You only need to deposit at least €1 to qualify. It's a great way to boost your betting budget. Now, let's talk about how to make the most of that bonus. After you receive it, you'll need to wager the bonus amount 3 times in what's called accumulator bets within 24 hours. An accumulator bet is when you combine multiple bets into one. Each bet in your accumulator must have odds of 1.40 or higher, and all the events you bet on must start before the end of Friday, May 17th, 2024. Now, let me explain what wagering means and the concept of 3 times wagering. When you receive the bonus, you're required to use that bonus amount to place bets. The idea behind wagering is to bet the bonus amount multiple times to meet the promotion's requirements. In this case, the promotion specifies 3 times wagering, which means you must bet the bonus amount 3 times over. For instance, if you receive EUR50 bonus, you'll need to place bets totaling EUR150 EUR50x3 to fulfill the wagering requirement. To meet this requirement, you'll make accumulator bets, where you combine multiple individual bets into one. Each bet within your accumulator must have odds of 1.40 or higher, and all selected events must start before the end of Friday, May 17, 2024. This is a crucial step to unlock any winnings generated from the bonus funds. Remember, it's important to adhere to these wagering rules within the given time frame to make the most of the Lucky Friday promotion. Once you've got the bonus, it'll show up in your account as extra funds. But here's the catch: before you can withdraw any winnings, you'll need to use up the entire bonus amount first. Also, keep in mind that you can't use these bonus funds for cryptocurrency transactions. Stick to regular bets. There are a couple more things to keep in mind. Certain bet types like handicap or total bets won't count toward meeting the wagering requirement. Plus, to qualify for this offer, you need to be an active user, making transactions regularly on your account. 1xBet takes bonus abuse seriously. They only allow 1 bonus per person, so don't try to game the system. If they suspect any misuse of the offer, they might close your account and revoke the bonus. Oh, and one last thing: ID verification. Sometimes 1xBet may ask you to verify your identity with IDD documents. Make sure to comply with their requests, otherwise you could lose your bonus and any winnings associated with it. I think the Lucky Friday promo is a great opportunity to add some extra excitement to your betting experience. Just remember to play responsibly and always read the full terms and conditions on 1xBet's website before participating. That's a wrap on our overview of the Lucky Friday promotion by 1xBet. I hope you found this breakdown helpful. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with this promo, leave a comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And subscribe for more tips and insights on sports betting. Thanks for watching, and until next time, good luck with your bets.